Bambu Lab A2L Review, a new standard for large format 3D printing in 2026. The 3D printing industry has experienced remarkable growth over the last decade, evolving from a niche hobby into a powerful tool used by engineers, designers, educators, manufacturers, and creative professionals. As demand for larger, faster, and smarter printers continues to rise, companies are racing to develop machines that combine professional capabilities with consumer-friendly usability. Among these innovators, Bambu Lab has established itself as one of the most influential brands in modern desktop 3D printing. With the launch of the Bambu Lab A2L the company is expanding its vision beyond traditional desktop printers and entering the large format market with a machine designed to offer exceptional build volume, intelligent automation, and high-speed performance. The A2L aims to remove many of the limitations that have traditionally frustrated users while maintaining the simplicity and reliability that have made Bambu Lab products so popular. Designed for bigger projects. One of the most significant features of the Bambu Lab A2L is its large build volume. Standard desktop 3D printers often require users to split larger models into multiple pieces before printing. While this approach works, it increases production time, material waste, and post-processing effort. The A2L addresses this challenge by providing a spacious build area capable of handling large-scale projects in a single print. Whether users are creating cosplay armor, engineering prototypes, architectural models, automotive components, or educational displays, the larger printing volume opens up new possibilities for creativity and productivity. For professional users, this capability means faster project completion and fewer assembly requirements. Large parts can be printed as one continuous object, improving both strength and appearance while reducing labor costs. High-speed printing without compromise. Bambu Lab has built its reputation around speed, and the A2L continues that tradition. Large format printers have historically been slower due to the challenges associated with moving larger mechanical systems. However, Bambu Lab has engineered the A2L to maintain impressive print speeds while preserving accuracy and reliability. The printer utilizes advanced motion control algorithms, intelligent acceleration management, and optimized hardware components to achieve rapid print times. These technologies allow users to complete projects significantly faster than many traditional large format machines. Rather than simply maximizing speed, the A2L focuses on maintaining consistent quality. Intelligent motion adjustments ensure that fine details receive the precision they require, while less complex sections can be printed at higher speeds. This balanced approach helps users achieve both efficiency and excellent results. Intelligent automation for every user. One of the biggest barriers to successful 3D printing has always been calibration and maintenance. Beginners often struggle with bed leveling, extrusion settings, and troubleshooting failed prints. Even experienced users can spend considerable time optimizing settings before starting a project. The Bambu Lab A2L minimizes these challenges through a comprehensive suite of automated technologies. Automatic bed leveling ensures that the build surface is properly aligned before each print. Intelligent flow calibration helps optimize filament extrusion, reducing defects and improving dimensional accuracy. The printer also includes advanced vibration compensation technology. By analyzing and correcting movement-related disturbances, the system helps maintain smooth surfaces and sharp details even during high-speed printing. Additional smart features include filament runout detection, clog monitoring and recovery, print failure detection, power loss recovery, automated system diagnostics. These capabilities contribute to a more reliable and user-friendly experience, allowing users to focus on creating rather than troubleshooting. Robust construction and mechanical stability. A large format printer must be mechanically stable to deliver accurate results. The A2L features a reinforced frame designed to minimize vibration and structural flex during operation. This sturdy construction helps maintain print quality, especially when producing tall or complex models. The heated build platform provides excellent first-layer adhesion while reducing the risk of warping on larger prints. Combined with a flexible, removable build plate, users can easily remove finished models without damaging the print or the build surface. Thermal stability is another important aspect of the printer's design. Consistent temperature control ensures reliable material performance and helps produce uniform results across the entire build area. Support for multiple materials. Modern creators often require more than basic PLA printing, and the A2L is designed to accommodate a wide variety of materials. The printer supports common filaments such as PA, PEG, TPU, and other engineering-grade materials depending on the selected nozzle and temperature settings. Its direct-drive extrusion system offers improved control over flexible materials, making it suitable for projects that require durability, elasticity, or specialized performance characteristics. The ability to work with multiple material types significantly expands the printer's versatility, making it useful for everything from artistic creations to functional mechanical components. Multicolor and multi-material printing. A major advantage of the Bambu Lab ecosystem is compatibility with the automatic material system, MSys. The A2L integrates with this technology, allowing users to print with multiple colors and materials in a single project. This feature provides numerous benefits: complex multicolor models without manual filament changes, functional prototypes combining different material properties, dissolvable support structures for intricate designs, enhanced visual presentation for display models. For businesses and professional designers, multi-material capability can dramatically improve workflow efficiency while expanding design possibilities. Smart software ecosystem. Bambu Lab has developed a software ecosystem that complements its hardware innovations. The A2L integrates seamlessly with Bambu Studio and cloud-based management tools, providing a streamlined user experience from model preparation to final production. The software includes advanced slicing capabilities, remote monitoring features, and cloud connectivity. Users can upload files, start prints, monitor progress, and receive notifications from compatible devices. Built-in camera monitoring adds another layer of convenience by allowing users to check print status remotely. This feature is particularly useful for large prints that may take many hours or even days to complete. The software ecosystem also helps simplify the learning process for new users while providing advanced controls for experienced makers. Real-world applications. The versatility of the A2L makes it suitable for a wide range of industries and use cases. Engineering and product development. Engineers can rapidly create functional prototypes, test fit assemblies, and evaluate product designs before moving to production. Education and research schools, universities, and research institutions can use the printer for STEM projects, demonstrations, and hands-on learning experiences. Cosplay and entertainment. Large helmets, armor pieces, props, and movie replicas can be printed with fewer seams and less assembly work. Small business manufacturing. Entrepreneurs can use the A2L for short-run production, customized products, replacement parts, and specialized manufacturing applications. Architecture and design. Architects can create highly detailed scale models, while designers can produce large visual prototypes for presentations and client reviews. Final verdict. The Bambu Lab A2L represents a significant advancement in desktop 3D printing technology. By combining a large build volume, intelligent automation, high-speed performance, multi-material capabilities, and an integrated software ecosystem, it delivers a solution that appeals to both hobbyists and professionals. Its focus on reliability and ease of use makes large-format printing more accessible than ever before. Users can spend less time calibrating and troubleshooting and more time creating innovative designs and products. For makers seeking a powerful, modern, and future-ready 3D printer, the Bambu Lab A2L stands out as one of the most exciting and capable large-format machines available in 2026. It successfully bridges the gap between consumer convenience and professional performance, setting a new benchmark for what users can expect from next-generation desktop manufacturing technology.